So you have the air filter box here. There are torque screws in this location, here, 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 and then two more here and back in here. So we're just going to take a Torx and line them out. You'll see that they're encapsulated so they don't fall out. Let's go around each one. So now you see that you're completely loose here, and again these screws don't come out, so they're in good shape there. So we'll set our tool down. So back here are three attachment points. So you want to lift up and at the same time slowly lift up and pull towards you, and that reveals the air filter. And lift it up and out. Set that back down there. Now what I like to do is kind of look around and inspect it, and typically what I'll do is I'll take my rag, wipe down the sides, take a look up in here and see if everything's good. So set that back down. Grab our new filter. We're using a Mercedes Man. And we're gonna flip it up, holding that in place and setting that back in that, and make sure your gasket is, see how this is sticking up? You want that to be down. So go around, make sure it's well seated. Okay, there's the four points. So what we're going to do is come back here and line it up, and starting with this back corner, I'm going to hold it up, and then we're going to hold it up and then push back, and you'll see that now these line back up again. So we're nice and secure there. So we'll start here in the middle. That's it.